So, magandang araw sa inyo guys. For today's video guys is gagawa tayo ng video about kay Ohm's Law na which is gagawa tayo ng content na ganito. So, we have the formula guys na which is voltage equals current times resistant. So, meron po tayong variable na which is ito po yung meaning niya. So, yung V is yung voltage or sign na V, and then we have the current which is I na meron siyang sign na amps or ampere. And then we have R is for resistant. And then meron po siyang sign na ohms. So, yung ohms guys, ganito po yung tsura niya. So, before we proceed guys, yung mga question guys is ilagay ko lang dito sa taas. Check nyo lang po guys ha. So, we have the question number 1 which is, what resistance would produce a current of 120 amps or ampere from a 6 volts battery? So, before we proceed guys, we have the formula to rearrange first. So, bago tayo magsimula guys, yung mga variable and mga values na ilalagay po natin muna dito para hindi po tayo malito. So balik tayo sa question. What resistant would produce a current of 120 ampere? So we have, yung ampere natin dito is yung current. So we have I equals 120 ampere. And then, from a battery of 6 volts battery. So we have 6 volts which is yung voltage na is 6. So we have V equals 6. So, yung R natin is yung unknown variable. So, bago tayo magsimula guys is i-rearrange natin yung formula para po makuha natin yung formula para sa resistant. So, we have, copy natin yung formula sa baba, sa taas pala. So, we have V equals I times R. So, since yung unknown variable natin is R, so we have to divide both sides by R guys. I mean pala guys, we have to divide both sides by I. Ito siya I para po may sulit yung R. So, we have to divide both sides by I. So, yung matitira is, cancel natin to. Matitira is R equals to V divided by I. So, erase natin yan. So, i-rewrite natin yung formula guys. So, we have R, dito natin ilagay R equals to V divided by I. Yan yung formula natin guys. So, substitute natin. So, copy natin dito sa baba. So, we have R equals, yung V natin is 6. So, we have 6 divided by, yung current natin or yung ampere is 120. So, let's solve this using a calculator guys. So, we have 6 divided by 120. So, yung resistant natin is R equals 0.05. Ito po yun guys ha. So, that is our final answer guys for this question. Which is 0.5 po, 0.05 po yung resistant niya or 0.05 ohms. So, to proceed. So, to proceed for the next question guys, we have the problem na which is, what is the current produced by a 9 volts battery flowing through a resistance of 200 ohms? So, before proceed guys, same process lang po sa ginawa natin sa previous question, which is identify muna natin yung mga variable and mga values niya. So, balik tayo sa question, we have, what is current produced by 9 volts battery? So, we have volts natin is 9. And then, we have flowing through a resistance of 200 ohms. So, we have R equals 200. So, since meron na po tayong variable, which is yung unknown variable natin is I, so we have to rearrange the formula first to get the formula. So we have, copy natin yung formula dito sa taas. We have V equals I times R. So since meron na po yung formula guys, kailangan po natin i-isolate yung I para po sa formula natin. So para ma-isolate natin guys, we have to divide both sides by R. So maka-cancel to guys. Maka-cancel to. So yung matitira is I. So, rewrite natin yung formula. So, we have I equals, ito, copy natin, V divided by R. So, since meron na po tayong formula guys, kailangan po natin substitute. So, we have I, copy natin yung I, So we have V natin is 9. And then, yung R natin is 200. So, calculate natin using a calculator guys. Calculator. So we have 9 divided by 200. So we have 0.45. So yung current natin is 0.045 amperes. So yan po yung final answer natin for this question guys. So to proceed for the next question guys, we have what voltage produces a current of 500 amperes with a resistance of 50 ohms? So, before proceed guys, kagaya ng ginawa natin sa previous question, we have to identify first the variable and its value. So, before proceed guys, let's read the question again. We have what voltage produces a current of 500 amperes? So, we have the current which is 500 and then with a resistance of 50 ohms. So, we have R is 50 ohms. So, to proceed, we have V, voltage which is the unknown variable. So, to proceed, since meron na po tayong formula which is ito, copy na lang po natin yan. I times R. So, let's substitute. We have I which is 500. V equals 500 times R natin is T. So, our voltage is, mag-add lang po tayo ng 0 dito sa kabila. So, we have 25,000 volts. At ito po yung final answer natin for question, guys.